Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel today. I'm Melissa the Vintage Goose, and today I have a beautiful package of goodies that I want to share with you guys. So this package, you may recognize the bag already, came from Pretty Mix Studio, Natalie, and she has an Etsy shop, and here's her information. So she sells lots of pretty high-end, higher-end Crafty supplies, and I want to show you what she has sent to me to share with you guys. So the first thing here, is a pretty little package here. We'll open that last, and lots of little goodies in here. Oh wow, so many pretty little things. So the first thing I see here are these little teapots, these little floral teapots. These are beautiful. Beautiful. And let's see. We've got some cute little pink diamond charms. Those are pretty. I love that color of pink. And then here we've got some little ballerinas, little pink ballerinas. These are charms. You can see the little hole there on the top. I think all of these are probably charms. And then here are some really pretty silver colored teapots. And I will put all of Natalie's information below, you guys, so you can check out her shop and check out her Instagram. And she has a YouTube channel too, called NC Invites. Aren't they so cute? These little pink clocks. And I've been watching her for a while. She used to do Tuesday morning hauls. I'm not sure if she's still doing that. These are beautiful. But she would go to Tuesday morning and show you guys the new stuff. And I always watch that, so I wouldn't have to go there. I knew what I was going to look for before I went. And then these cute little gold bows. Beautiful. And then we've got these tiny bitty gold little charms. See how small those are? Tiny bitty. There's my thumbnail. Wow, those are so cute. Adorable. And let's see. This one here is a little pink crown charm. And some cute little ice cream cones. So cute. And here we've got some more little bows. These are beads. They have a little hole in the top there. So these can be strung like beads. Beautiful. And then here we've got some little milkshakes. I did see these in her shop. These are milkshakes, and she sells all these individually. So you will purchase all these individually. And then Gumball Machines. Aren't these cute? These are Cabochons. And I don't know. Let me look at these again. Yeah, there's a tiny bitty hole right there, so you can put a little ring through these and hang them like a dangle. And then here we've got some, let's see, it says handmade. So you can hang these on all your little handmade goodies. And then here we've got a little mirror, hand mirror, gold hand mirror. That's so fun. And some cute little avocados. These are cabochons. Those are so cute. And these are some little clasps. So they're star shaped, and you can see here how they open at the top right here, and then you can hang your little dangles from that little ring there. So super pretty goodies there, Natalie. And now we will move on to this box of goodies here. I'm going to set this package off over here. Okay. So now we've got this one, and she's got it wrapped up here really pretty in some pink tissue. And she's got her Pretty Mix Studio little sticker on here. So pretty. Her presentation is so beautiful. And the last few times I've ordered from her, she sends things, she sends things in these cute little boxes that she's made. And she puts her logo here on the front. Pretty Mix Studio. So pretty. Just love these boxes, and you can reuse these boxes too, so that's great. And let me grab this pair of scissors here. Maybe too big. No. We will grab this X-Acto knife. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Whoops. So I would try to edit this part out, but I am the worst at editing, so I don't even like to try. It's a pain. And my phone's running out of storage and all the things. So here are the goodies inside. So beautiful. Isn't that so cute? Oh, look at all the pink. Oh my gosh, I love pink. So first thing I see here are these light pink hearts. I'm not sure if these are like the polymer clay hearts. Let me see. Maybe I can tell by feeling. Yeah, they're really lightweight. Very, very cute. Love those. And then here we've got a hot pink set. So cute. And then we've got yellow. I can't wait to play with these things, Natalie. And then we've got some pretty little glittered pink sequins. These look like, I'm not sure, but I want to say like a 2, maybe 3 millimeter size. Pretty small. And then here we've got some star sequins, little tiny star sequins. So cute. Let me see if I can line these up here so you can continue to admire them. And then here we've got some light pink. They've kind of got a holographic, iridescent kind of shine to them. Little stars. And let's see. Oh, look at these. This is a multicolored pack of sequins, little stars. Very pretty. And then we've got this little mix of pineapples and, yeah, little pineapple slices and then pineapples. And then you've got the little sprinkles mixed in there. This is such a fun, cute mix. So summery. Very pretty. Let's get this over a little more. And then we've got this little pack of bows. And these feel like the polymer clay pieces that you can buy. I'm not sure if that's what they're made from, but that's what it feels like. Super cute. Oh my goodness, look at this one. It has watermelons. I love these little sprinkle mixes. They look so real. So very cute. And then here we've got some little cake slices. Aren't those so cute? Let me open this up and I'll let you know if it's like the polymer clay. Yeah, it's really lightweight. Kind of like a polymer clay. It's got the little loop there for you. So these are really cute. Little cake slices. And next I see some more little stars. This beautiful blue color. Very pretty. It's kind of got a holographic shine to it also. Very pretty. And then here we've got some little flower charms. And these look like they're made from fabric. I don't know if you can see these. Let me take one out so we can have a better look at those. So, aren't these so cute? Oh, these are pretty. I love this pink color. Such a pretty pink. So we've got a bunch of these. Looks like you get probably 10 in this pack. So check out her shop, guys, and see what she's got. All of these should be available unless they've sold out. So I know I've gone to her shop to get things before and they've sold out. So here we have some little pink bow beads. Those are adorable. And you get quite a bit in the package. Very cute. Let's see. Oh, and these cute little bows. These are real lightweight. She sent me some of these before, and I really like them. Let's see. They are plastic. She's got a package that they're really cute. So these are a plastic. Let's see if they're, yeah, they're stuck on. I'll try not to rip them off of there. But aren't these pretty? Very pretty. And next we've got some cute little bottle caps. These are flat backs. So Cabochons. Very pretty. This is kind of a burgundy wine color design, snowflake design on there. Super cute. And let's see. Oh, she's included some of these little bales so that you could turn these cabochons into charms. So she's included some of these little bales. And so you could find these in her shop. So you could turn all kinds of little doodads into charms with these things. Just use a little E6000 and stick those on. Or at least that's what I do. And then here we've got some pink butterfly sequins. And I will pull a few of those out for you. So they look like this. Really cute, and they've got the holographic sheen to them. Really pretty. Very, very pretty. I don't have any butterflies that I can recall, so thank you so much for that. And then let's see. Here we've got some little ice creams. Aren't they so cute? Let me open this. So we've got this cute little one, and these feel like they're made from, yeah, some kind of clay or dough. So they're really lightweight, and you could put these little bales on the back and make charms. Or you could put these in the center of like bows, or attach them to your bag toppers because they're flat. So these are really cute. Oops. So there's a mix here. Aren't they so cute? I love ice creams. So very, very cute. And then next I've got these little teapots. You know what these remind me of? So when I was a kid, you could buy, like in the dime machine, you could get little animals made like this. And oh my gosh, I had quite a collection. So every time we went to like TG&Y, I don't know if anybody knows what a TG&Y is. Giving away my age. I am 53. Or I'm 52. I'll be 53 next month. And so we used to go TG&Y, and in the little dime machines, I would always get the cute little animals, the little plastic ones that look like this. So that's what this reminds me of. Bringing back some childhood memories. So sweet. So I love those. And then next, she has included some of these little gold clasps. Let me see. This, yeah. So this is what you've probably noticed. A lot of the Crafty girls have been making the little tassels with these. So you just put the little ribbons in there, and then you squeeze these together with pliers, and it will clamp your ribbons. I'm sure you girls all know what I'm talking about, but just in case you don't, so you take like a ribbon and you can put it in here, and when you clamp that down, when you squeeze it with your pliers, it will clamp it on there, and then you have a little tassel dangle that you can add to your projects. So these are very pretty, and there's the little design on them. So cute. So she's got these in her shop too. And the last little thing here are some adorable pink, or pink, it's got a pink lid, gold hearts. So really cute. So you could add these to your sequins mix. So yeah, that's what I have received from Pretty Mix Studio from Natalie. And guys, don't forget to check out her information. I'll put it below. Check out her shop. She's always got lots of amazing little goodies for sale. And yeah, so that's what I got today. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.